Are you an entrepreneur or business owner looking to transform your business on Web 3.0? Do you want to stand out from your competitors using a virtual commerce? Then you must ride the meta wave now. We help entrepreneurs with a vision to engage their customers more effectively using virtual stores. The perfect combination of your website and brick and mortar store into a seamless online experience. Web 1.0 was the information era. Web 2.0 was the social era. It brought about the age of online connectivity and social media. Web 3.0 is going to be the era of virtual worlds. It is a mass adoption of decentralized web and virtual commerce. Now, sitting at the comfort of your home, you can travel, shop, meet, and earn in a parallel universe, the metaverse. Facebook rebranded as Meta recently.
Today, our company is now Meta.
Though controversial, one thing is certain, that everybody is talking about the metaverse. The biggest tech companies today are united in their efforts to push towards the new era of an immersive and experiential internet, which will create immense scope for new innovations on this young virtual market. If you want to elevate your business into the metaverse, then we are the perfect match for you. Virtual commerce is a radically new concept of online business. It's a story about burning bridges between customers and products. It's a story about, oh, it looked better on the website. You can't imagine the world of the future without the Internet of Things, AI, and AR and VR, of course. Our virtual apps are tailor-made for you and guaranteed to make an unprecedented impression. Your customers can virtually walk into your store, interact with you, and make a more informed purchase, just like any real store, while enjoying the reach of an online store. Your virtual store is physical real estate free, maintenance free, and open 24 hours. Accessible from anywhere. The virtual store can be detailed to your desire. The functions possible are limitless. You describe your dream and we deliver. We integrate your payments on the payment gateway of your choice. The biggest benefit to you is the quality of the experience we offer, which will automatically make you shine from the competition, leave a lasting impression on your customers, and build a brand value for a long and healthy business. Let's bring your idea or business to this new age of technology today, the era of virtual and immersive internet.